never clean your room. Okay. You leave the house as if you were living in a hotel, and it's like, you're not. And your dog comes in, and she comes in with her paws all over the place, and like there's shit everywhere. Remember that time at the family dinner when there was milk right there, literally right in front of you, and then you just took it and you spilt it everywhere, all over Grandpa. Grandpa was sad. Last year, Canada Day, yeah, we had the fireworks getting ready to go, and Dad was all, woo, let's have some fireworks going, and you were like, oh, I know how to do it, and I was like, Morgan, don't you dare. You have never done this before, and you did it. And guess what happened? You blew up Grandpa's foot. Do that right now while I'm talking to you? I'm your mother. Can you not just put that? You're being very rude right now. Stop it! Morgan! That is very rude. Stop that right now. You're gonna get sent to your room. I swear to God.
I'm sorry.
You finally stopped. Stop. Please listen. Morgan! Can you please just listen? I'm trying to talk to you. Please. I'm begging you. What I'm trying to say is, Grandpa's dead. So, yeah, he's gone. Go on with your little smoothie. Because clearly you don't give a fuck about anything. He's your grandfather. Whatever.